In this video, I'll give a quick walkthrough for our new credit rebill feature on the Fastway web portal. Let's begin by going to the billing screen. To start, we'll need to create an invoice. I'm going to select tickets from today's date. Now for this invoice, I'm just going to select one of these tickets, number 6001. Before an invoice can be created, we'll need to enter a batch number. Be advised that in this update, we've also upped the character limit for batch numbers to 50, so long as your accounting system allows that. Once your batch number is entered, go ahead and click Assign to create the invoice. Now let's head over to the Billing History tab. At the top, you'll see a new drop-down menu labeled Batch Type. From here, you can select whether you want to view invoices, credits, or both. After selecting credits only, you'll see some of our batch numbers have a CR attached to the end of them. This indicates that the tickets on these invoices have been credited and made available for rebill. To show the credit rebill process, let's go back to our other invoices. I'll sort by the invoice date. And here you can see the one that we made a few moments ago. By clicking the arrow at left, we can expand this invoice to view the ticket. And once expanded, you'll be able to see this new Actions button. This is where the credit rebill will be performed. Just as before, you'll see that once a credit rebill happens, it'll attach this CR to the end of the batch number. However, this can be changed and customized to your needs. Let's go ahead and credit this ticket back to the account and make it available for rebill. As the warning message states, this will credit an invoice, it creates a credit memo, and also creates new tickets for rebilling. I'll walk you through that in a few moments. For now, let's go ahead and check I understand and wish to proceed. To view the credit memo for this, we'll simply go to the batch type and change this to credits. Here at the top, we'll locate our credit memo and click Print. Let's open this up and take a look. Now that we've credited the ticket, we'll see that our net weight is now negative, and our totals at the bottom are also negative, showing the credit to the account. So once tickets have been credited, what happens to the actual tickets in the Fastway system? To find out, let's go to the ticket query. We'll run the query for today's date and type in ticket number 6001. Initially, the query will only display the current version of the ticket. That's the most updated version that is now available for rebill. However, if we go to this new drop-down menu at the top, labeled Type, we can change this to All to view all versions of this ticket, including the original ticket, the credited version, and the new one that is available for rebill. Scrolling over to the right, we'll be able to see that the original ticket has a positive net weight, but is no longer editable because it's already been credited. The second version of the ticket, the one that was credited, it will have a negative net weight, and like the first, it cannot be edited. However, the third version of the ticket is the current version, and this one can be both edited and rebilled. We can see this by looking at the ticket query grid, where we'll see that it has neither a batch number or an invoice number. If you wish to simply credit a ticket without allowing it to be rebilled, this can still be done as well. Simply edit the third version of the ticket, check the void box, add both a void note and a revision note, and click Save. This voids the rebillable version of the ticket entirely, allowing you to credit a ticket only without making it available for rebill. This completes our walkthrough for the new credit rebill feature on Fastway. As always, if you have any questions, simply go to fast-way.com and click Support at the top. From here, you can send us an email from this form, or you can give us a call at 865-219-2980.